Hi, good evening everyone. Once again I am here with new experiment that today as we know that there is presence of water, there is presence of oxygen in water. So I have taken water and one candle is there and match stick is there, matchbox is there. From that we are just going to prove it out that presence of oxygen in that water. Nothing is that you might have heard not, you very well know that there is a lot of fishes are there which are under the water. They are surviving their life. Then how do they breathe through? Then they breathe through oxygen simply. They breathe oxygen through their gills. Now that sir, how can you show that there is presence of oxygen in that water? Yes, definitely. The chemical formula of water is that H2. So H2O that means hydrogen and oxygen. When combined together, they form water. So oxygen is there in that water H2. Now we are just going to prove it that. Now some fishes or some aquatic animals are there. They are, we can say, fishes. We can say jellyfish, starfish, and you might have heard about blue whale, or you can say that dolphin. They are also fish, but they breathe through not gills, they breathe through lungs. They come out from the water and then they breathe. They do not breathe inside the or under the water. So just let's begin with that. Now here is candle I have placed over there. There is water only and nothing else. See, this is water only and nothing else only. Here we have to prove it out that is there presence of oxygen or not. Now simple thing is that to burn something, it is mandatory to be the presence of oxygen. कोई भी चीज जलने के लिए उसे ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. And to vanish it out, to blow it out, we need CO2, carbon dioxide. That means when a extinguisher, fire extinguisher came, they bring themselves with cylinder gas. In that cylinder gas there is CO2, that is carbon dioxide. So if carbon dioxide there, then the candle won't be able to burn it out. So it needs what? It needs oxygen. Now oxygen are of two types: heavy oxygen and weak oxygen. That both is suitable for that. Heavy oxygen we can say, then when mask is placed over there, when some people are there on ventilator, for them heavy oxygen is compressed in the cylinder, then it passed through the nostril. But that other thing in later subject, I will just go for that in detail later on. Right now we have to prove it out just only one thing, that is there presence of oxygen in the water, yes or no? Yes, of course. So here is water. If I burn it, then I will cover that burning candle by this jar. If it is still burning, it will show that there is presence of oxygen. Due to that, that candle is remaining burning over there. Now let's begin. I have matchbox also. Now I just begin. Now candle is just getting burned. Yes, little bit air is blowing. That's why it's second over there. Yes, now finally it burned it. Now I would do what? I would just close it out with the help of that jar. Now if I fix over here, now see, I completely fixed it. Now you can see still that candle is still burning. I have placed over there. See, you are sure. I am sure also that I have placed over there. Now air is not moving inside that jar. Now simply that candle is still burning. It shows that presence of oxygen in that water. So now you are sure about that fish can survive in water because of the presence of oxygen in that water. Because that fish also require water, oxygen to breathe in out, to breathe in and to breathe it out. Okay, that's all. Have a good day.